Come test drive the 2015 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, fog lights, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.